Introducing the new Dewalt Jobsite Table Saw. Featuring a lightweight and compact design, the saw is designed to be easily transported. The saw has a rip capacity of 32.5 inches to the right side of the blade, provided by a patented rack and pinion telescoping rail system, which allows you to cut larger material compared to previous Dewalt table saws without sacrificing portability. The design also provides convenient onboard storage for accessories, making them easily accessible. The modular guard design makes installation of the guarding components quick and easy. Dewalt has also designed a new roll cage frame to withstand tough job site conditions, which demand Dewalt durability. The Dewalt DWE7491RS provides workshop capacity and job site power to meet the user's needs.
Hi, I'm Gary Strigler with Craftsman Builders. It's still got a great switch that if I need to, I can bump with my leg and shut it off. And they've also increased the capacity out that I can actually, there's a second position on this fence that I can flip it around and I can actually rip out to about 32 inches if I ever need to do that.
My name is Josh Britnall. My family has a small construction company around the job site. It's light, easy to move around, easy to set up. The guard behind the blade, I like this also. It helps when we rip, sometimes when we rip Ipe or rip some 3/4 trim or whatever for the inside, it helps stabilize, especially on a longer rip. This was very sturdy, very well made, and didn't have any problems.
Dave Wonder, JW Contractors Incorporated. I mean, it's almost like a shop saw in the field. That's the way I look at it. You use the saw and you don't think, in your mind doesn't pop up anything wrong with it. You know, most times you turn a saw and you'll pick up right away what's wrong with it. You can actually take this and put it in your garage and use it as a shop saw if you wanted to. You could take it out in the field and use it. A framer could use it, as well as a trim carpenter could use it. I mean, it's a multifunctional table saw. I mean, I think you guys covered all the bases with it.
My name is Dave Kuhn, and I'm a custom remodeler, kitchens and baths, finished carpentry, and high-end remodeling. Well, it's lightweight, it's durable, it can bounce around the truck. I'm not worried about it. The cage, the box around it is nice and strong, so you know I can put it in the back of my truck. I don't have to place it in the back of my truck. One of the greatest features is that I can plug a vacuum into it and virtually be dust-free in interior space of a home.